DJI Air 3, Clubhouse in Wintertime. Got that coming up next. Village Underviewer here. Like the content of this video or anything on my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any future content. With that, let's begin. Today is actually the first decent day that I've had an opportunity to go up and fly in 2024. On top of that, being very sick after Christmas and everything, weekend seemed either it was windy or rainy, but today actually it was a great day to go out and fly. So we went ahead and took the Air 3 up, did it around the clubhouse to give you an idea to show you what it looks like in Florida during winter. So without any hesitation, let's take a look at the video. Okay, today we're going to take the DJI Air 3 up to give you a feel for what Florida and more specifically our clubhouse is like during the winter. We have 23 satellites, look like we're all set to go. Let's go ahead and get screen recording started here. Okay, screen recording is started. I'm going to move that up and out of the way here. Go ahead and take off. Okay, let's get it up to about 100 feet here. This has been the first day that I've had an opportunity to get up to fly. We're up a little too high here. I want to get back down to closer to 100 feet. Every time on the weekend, it's just been, every day I've gone out, it's either been too windy or rainy or just, yeah, let's adjust the pitch of the gimbal. It's just been not good. And you can kind of take a look here and take a look and see what it's like during the wintertime. The grass kind of, it's not a bright green, it's a dull green right now. Just to kind of let you guys know what it looks like. Let's go ahead and go forward here a little bit. Okay, let's adjust the angle here. Back up a little bit. This is the first really kind of good day that we've had in a long time. I'm going to go ahead and do some master shots here. And let's kind of kick things off there. And we're going to go ahead and start.
3, 2, 1.
Aircraft is adjusting position here. Do a droney first and take a look and see there's nobody at the pool. One of the things I can tell you is when it's 50 or below here, the heater at the pool doesn't work, so the water is very cold. Now we've had a couple of days where it's been above 70, but it's going to take a good week or two of it being above 70 to get that water back up to temperature where it's okay, where you can get in and enjoy that. Actually doing a lot of maintenance right now in and around the clubhouse area. They're repairing the sidewalk areas. They're also doing a lot of pressure washing at this time of year. Seems to be an ideal time of year to be able to do that, and it's going real well. Things look great with that. In the restaurant that we have on site, called the Bistro, they've changed their menu there, and they've gotten themselves, they're doing very good with that. Circle close here. And then we're going to zoom in and out. Absolutely love Mastershots. I think it's fantastic. Medium circle here. Again, you can kind of see, looking at the grass specifically, not so much the palm trees, that it is a lighter, very lighter shade of green right now, and that's the way it is during the winter. This is a great shot of the pool area. We kind of have three pools in one. We have an entrance pool, as I call it. We have a lap pool, and then we have the pool in the middle. So that works out real well. Kind of wrapping things up here with Mastershots. 96%. Okay, aircraft is returned to its original starting point. All right. Let's go ahead and return to home here.
Return to home. Landing.
Take a look and see how we do here. Looking pretty good so far. Should be spot on. All right, that was a great first flight of 2024, showing you our clubhouse during winter in Florida. question of the day, what did you think of the DJI Air 3 Clubhouse in Winter? Let me know in the comment section below. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, it's a great day to fly.